Okay, let's do 3x3 mining spell. The spell itself is not insanely complicated, but complicated enough to require part-by-part development. So the spell actually consists of a bunch of sub-spells, and there's no way around this. It's big enough to not fit into a single give command, and when I tried typing it into Hex Studio, it lagged it to the point of no return. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a tutorial. It's no joke. I actually have a sheet of paper in front of me with the handwritings that represent the sub-spells I'm gonna do now. So the first sub-spell is it's kind of an advanced raycast mantra. The sigil I use for it is, it's, you know, archers, look vector, and then it's architects, distillation. That's the sigil. Let's write this down. Now, the script itself is me location, me look vector, duplication twice, then it's archer's distillation, then it's rotation 2, then it's Undertakers, and then it's Architect's Distillation. Then you put it into an array of 3, it's 3 literal, then it's Dioscuri Gambit. Okay, now we have an array. We need to post-process it a little bit, so we duplicate, take 0th element, there is no space, oh my god, take 0th element, then it's null equal null, rotation 1, and then augurs. Okay, the spell is done. Let's write this. And immediately test. When you're looking at a block, you should receive this, a list of 3. It's the block, the look vector, and then the side of the block. And when you're looking at the sky, you should receive just a plain null. Yeah, it is correct. Okay, the next spell is, it doesn't have a convenient name. All I can say is that it's a POV construction procedure. The sigil I use for it is this. Yes. Just make sure it's this cell. Okay. Good. Is it long? It is not. It is short. Okay. Flux Disintegration. Swap the top. Because I think it's called Swindler's Gambit. I'm not sure. It's just swap the top 2 elements. Then it's Y positive. Then it's cross product. Then it's Axial Purification. Double duplication. Cross product once again. Then it's rotation 1. Okay, then it's 4 and Flux Gambit. Okay, done. Right. And immediately test. So this spell works on the result of the previous one. So you have to run the previous spell, and if it's not null, you can now do this and end up with a POV representation. So the POV representation is a pair of offset vector plus transformation matrix. So this is the block you're looking at, and this is the orientation of local axes. It's not important. It's just you can check if it works by looking at a block side with your global axes denoted by the red arrow pointing to the right. You will get this result. So it's 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. That's correct. If you look at a different side, the result will be different. But this is a quick verification procedure. You get a unit matrix if you look at this particular block side. Okay, the next step. It's points generation procedure. I use this is break block 3 because it's kind of a set of points on a 3x3 grid, and it's dedicated to block breaking. It's whatever. Just write this down. Okay, the script is long. I need a scribe lens. So it is 0 positive x duplicate positive y Undertakers addition prospectors negative x Undertakers addition prospectors negative y Undertakers addition rotation 1 duplication vector deconstruction swap the top 2 rotation 2 vector construction. Then we're gonna put that into a list of size 9, so it's 9 Flux Gambit, close the bracket and write down. Now we immediately check. We read and execute. This is a standalone spell. It generates 9 points in space in local coordinate system relative to the block you're looking at. So we're gonna break 3x3 square of blocks. It's 9 points. It's 0, 0, obviously that's the bottom element, and then it's all of the combinations of 1, 0, and negative 1 in the 2 first columns. That's what you should have. Okay, this seems correct to me. So the spell is a success. The next spell, we're gonna change your focus a bit and start doing matrix stuff. So the spell I'm gonna implement now is a matrix multiplication spell. Matrix multiplication. Okay, the matrix multiplication. It is short. It's not complicated. You don't need a scrying lens even for this. So it's just dupe twice. 0 element multiply rotation 2. Yeah, correct. Duplicate. Oh, now I have to restart. Okay. Duplication 0 element multiply rotation 2 duplication 1 element multiply rotation 2 element multiply vector construction. Close the bracket. Write this down. Oh no, it's yeah. I've made a mistake here. The direction. Okay. Write down. Yeah, now it's okay. Not gonna check how it works because it's short and it probably is okay. The next spell. That's the transpose operation. It's huge. Okay. It's huge and bulky. And I hope I won't make any mistakes. Okay, it's less disintegration. It's flux disintegration, I believe. Okay, it's this, then vector deconstruction, then it's number 4 fisherman, vector deconstruction, number 7 fisherman, vector deconstruction. Now it's rotation 1, then it's 6 fishermen, 9 fishermen, vector construction, rotation 1. It was 6, 9, then it's 5, 7. Okay, 5 fishermen, 7 fishermen, vector construction, rotation, 4 fishermen, 5 fishermen, vector construction, then it's 3 Flog's Gambit, and we are probably done with the spell. We'll need to check if it's valid or not. Write down. The sigil for the spell I use is the letter T. The mouse. Okay, now let's check if it's correct or not. We're gonna generate a dummy matrix. We're gonna transpose it, so it's 1, 2, 3 vector construction, 4, 5, 6 vector construction, 7, 8, 9, vector construction, 3, list construction. That's the matrix. Now let's try the transpose spell on it. Read, execute. 147258369. That's correct, so the transpose works. Good. Good to know. Next spell. It's the first composite one. It will consist of previously implemented spells. Yes. Yes. Okay, the sigil for it is transform. It's TF. Good. Now, what is it? It's swap the top two, then take the first element of the list, then it's rotation 2, then we close the bracket. Okay, we read the transpose procedure and we concatenate. Good. Then we read the matrix multiplication procedure and then we concatenate. Then we consider addition. This we append. Okay, this is the resulting spell. It should be written down into the TF slot. Okay. I think we are ready to do our final magnum opus spell, which is the 3x3 mining. Okay. No, it's too much. It's a long sequence of operations. Okay. This is insane. Okay. That's how I mark my 3x3 mining spell. Well, the final version of it. Good. This is our temporary storage cell. We're gonna store some things into it. Okay, let's start with augmenting our transform function. So we read the transform function. And remember, it ends with addition. So the result of all of this is the global coordinate of a block to break. So the only thing left to do is to break the block. We consider block breaking. We append it to the list. Now we need to escape this function. By that I mean we need to prepend an opening bracket. So it's consider opening bracket. Prepend. Then it's consider closing bracket append. So that's our modified transform function wrapped up in introspection. This is what we save temporarily into this cell. Write down. Good. Now, the next thing that we do is we just read this. We read POV construction procedure. Okay, this sequence of actions gives us the POV, aka the transform. Now we need to read this. No, read this, not write. Then we concatenate. Good. Then we read this. This is the point generation procedure. Read, concatenate. Okay. Then we do a little bit of code. Let me see. So it's this, then it's this, then it's this, then it's Thoth's Gambit. Then it's stack clearing procedures, just drop the two. That's drop the junk, basically. Then we close, then we concatenate again. Okay, now this also needs to be wrapped up into introspection. Oh no, that was a mistake, but that's fine, it's not. Okay, it's consider opening bracket. Prepend. Oh no, there's not enough space. But I think it's okay. Prepend. It's this operation, right? Right. Prepend. Then it's consider closing bracket. Append. And then this is the next iteration we store here temporarily. Okay, the final step. Read advanced raycast mantra. Read the temporary content of this cell. Concatenate. Open the introspection. Now, what is it? Okay, it's Prospector's Gambit. Oh, what's it called? Let me see. Stack manipulation. List. Stack. Good. Rotation. Yeah, it's Prospector's Gambit. Okay, good. Then it's 0 element null equal introspection. Drop the null. It's retrospection. Then it's rotation 1. Augurs Hermes. Close the bracket. Concatenate. And this is the final spell. You write this down, you can use it to break blocks. I hope it works. Please work. Read. Execute. It does! Yes! It works! It's good. Let's try facing a different direction. Like this. You can read. Execute. Yes! Yes! Okay, it's good. Now you can maybe use an artifact to do this a bunch of times. Yeah, I'm so happy this works first try. Well, not technically first try, but you know... Okay, that's the spell. That's how you do it. Maybe I'm gonna do the math explanation behind all of this. Thanks for sticking around, I guess. Bye.